Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create account on Happn. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, you're simply gonna go ahead, first open up the installed app on your phone, and now you can see directly you have three choices. Either you can connect with your Apple, Google, or you can Facebook. So for me, I'm going to choose the Google one. Then tap on this I agree to these terms and agree and close. Tap ask app not to track if you don't want, continue, and now choose your Google account and now tap on continue. Don't allow, and now tap on this continue again for the allow while using app. And there we go. That is how simple it is for you to do so. Now you simply have to provide the information that it will ask, or simply give you the brief how it works. You can cross it out, and now you can also choose to tap on your profile icon likewise, and you can simply edit the details according to your need by simply going to edit my profile, and you can edit your details as well. So that is it. That is the way. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.